It's getting dark and we've reached the end. We've come a long way together, you and me. But I'm looking at all the colours in the sky as the sun is setting over the horizon, and I'm feeling like this is the end of an era, the end of an old era and the beginning of a new one. And that's okay, so be in the now. Feel the last touch of light as the world turns again. Sense the cold chill of the wind against your skin. Watch the lasers dancing through smoke on a stage far away. Feel the bass racing across the desert night. Tonight is tonight. And tomorrow we'll wake up and ask each other, where do we go from here? We're gonna live in the moment, experience the now. Forget fear, forget politics. Life isn't life when you're terrified of death. And death is the one thing that's guaranteed for us all. So we're gonna live. We're gonna jump off cliffs into oceans, take planes to faraway places, find friends, new lovers, stay up late talking shit about everything and nothing, follow the music wherever it takes us, because tonight is tonight, and tomorrow we can decide. Where do we go from here?